Here we have a drawing which has been saved out as a PDF from SOLIDWORKS. It's a drawing of a sheet metal part with 3 orthographic views in the folded state and a flat pattern view. After saving this document, the customers reopened the drawing in SOLIDWORKS and found that the flat pattern view is no longer shown in the flattened state and we have some dangling dimensions. Why has this happened and how do we fix it? First, we need to understand the process that happens in the background that allows us to show a flat pattern on a drawing sheet. If we switch to this newly created sheet metal part and switch to the configuration manager, there is currently a single default configuration. Let's go ahead now and make a drawing. You'll see our view palette is populated with our standard orthographic views as well as a flat pattern. We'll drag in a front view and a flat pattern view. If we select the views and look at their properties, you can see that our front view is referencing our default configuration and our flat pattern is referencing a configuration called default-sm-flat pattern. What's happening here is when we create a drawing for a sheet metal part, SOLIDWORKS automatically creates an additional derived configuration. If we look at the difference between the two configurations, the flat pattern is suppressed in our default configuration and unsuppressed in our flat pattern configuration. And they need to stay that way for the drawing to work correctly. So if we look at our previous drawing, we'll open the part and switch to the flat pattern configuration. As you can see, the flat pattern configuration has been incorrectly saved in the folded state. We'll set it back to the flattened state and just verify the configurations are behaving as they should be. So the default configuration is in the folded state and the flat pattern configuration is in the flattened state. Now, if we return to the drawing, you can see the flat pattern is showing correctly and all the dangling dimensions have reattached themselves. We hope you found that useful.
We'd like to take a few moments to tell you about our company. Innova Systems are a UK-based authorised reseller for SOLIDWORKS 3D CAD software. We provide the highest quality technical support and training courses to over 1,000 of our customers. Buying from us doesn't just mean a box of software, you also get the backup of our multi-award winning technical support team. Innova have been voted #1 for customer satisfaction for the last 4 years running. We are a company driven by the continued success of our customers. If you're interested in knowing more about SOLIDWORKS or the services we provide, please get in contact with us.